What's up, y'all? Got to chop them up. Got some bluefish I'm gonna do up, and I got some nice flukes. Memorial Day weekend, and this is it's Memorial Day weekend, May 24th. All right, let's go. I'll do my bluefish up first. I'm just gonna run right down the spine here. Angle my blade, knife down, right down the spine. That's how you do it. Beautiful fillet. I'm gonna make some nice strips when we're fluke fishing in the ocean. Bluefish love, fluke love bluefish strips. All right, these chickens are gonna love these strips too. Now they're fighting over it. There's some nice meat for you. These chickens love this bluefish. There you go. There's one bluefish down. Goes in the trash. There's another blue. We're gonna angle. I just grab it right by the gill here. Go right down behind the fin there, and boom. Simple as that. Oh yeah. I don't think bluefish are too bad if you cook them right. And I mixed some up with my wife the other day, and she said it was good. But you got to take all that red line out. That's what you got to take out. Another bluefish down. That's what you got to take out. They're so bloody. I did bleed these bluefish out too. I think that's a lot to why that taste is like that. Again, grab right behind the gill and just grab it right by the head. Run straight down to the spine. Turn your knife. Boom. Look at that. The other side, I just flip it right around and boom. Look at that. Get the guts out of there. Look at that fish. That's gonna be pretty good. That's gonna be pretty good. All right. Alrighty, let's get ready to do a fluke. Look at them fluke, baby. Yay! Look at that, another one. Same size, two beauties. 22 inches and then a 19 and a half. Let's go. Two 22 inches and the 19 and a half. All right, I'll show you guys the bluefish fillets and these beautiful fluke. Look at them fluke. Yeah, baby. I'll show you guys how to do a flukey. If you don't know, now you know. Alrighty, do one up right now. Do my two big last. That's awesome. Let's go. All right, now for the flukies. I go right down here, boom. make like a triangle. Boom, right there. You're gonna come, same, I grab it right by the head. You're gonna come right down the spine. I go right down the spine, now I'll turn my knife sideways, go right underneath that tail right here, and I'll just go ahead and run down the spine here. All right. There we go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some nice strip baits out of this too. Look at that fluke, baby. Let's go. And this here is gonna go right to the chickens. Everybody wins around here. Mowdy Farm. Heck yeah. Right. What a beautiful fillet there. I'll get them strips out in a little bit, but as you can see, cleans right up. I'll probably just give this to my chickens. They love it. All right, I'm gonna do the underside. We'll call our video. You're gonna see there's a line. Look at that literal line that comes straight down the middle. That's the line you want. I'll hold on to its head. I'm gonna come right down that middle, right down that line. Nice and easy. You gotta have a good knife. I use Dexter knives, they're the best. Right. This is how to clean a bluefish and a flounder. Okay. Another fish down. We got three bluefish.